This is one example that you can do, and it's minimal equipment, if any equipment. So what you're going to do 4 times, so you'll get your phone out, you'll do, just put a stopwatch on there, so you're going to try and do this as quick as possible. So how it's going to work is, you're going to do 10 all the way down to 1 rep, so burpees, 20 in 2s all the way down to chair dips, and then you're going to do 30 going down in 3s all the way down to 3 as sit-ups, okay? So it'll go burpees 10, then you'll do chair dips 20, and then you'll do 30 sit-ups, okay? And then it'll go down 9, 18, 27, 8, 16, 24, and so on, until you're finished.